Section 1, Microsoft Word Control plus C reads as copy selected text or object. Control plus V reads as paste copied content. Control plus N reads as new document. Control plus S reads as save current document. Control plus O reads as open a document. Control plus Z reads as undo last action. Control plus Y reads as redo last action. Control plus B reads as apply bold formatting. Control plus I reads as apply italic formatting. Control plus U reads as underline selected text. Control plus X reads as cut selected text. F7 reads as spell and grammar check. Section 2, GIMP R reads as rectangle select tool. E reads as ellipse select tool. F reads as free select lasso tool. Control plus Z reads as undo action. Control plus Shift plus Z reads as redo action. Shift plus B reads as bucket fill tool. B reads as paintbrush tool. Control plus L reads as open layers dialog. Shift plus L reads as blend gradient tool. Shift plus S reads as scale tool. Shift plus R reads as rotate tool. Shift plus E reads as eraser tool. Section 3, Microsoft Access. F1 reads as Open Access Help. F5 reads as Refresh Data in View. F11 reads as Toggle Navigation Pane. Control plus F reads as Find Record. Control plus H reads as Replace Text. Control plus S reads as Save Current Database Object. Control plus P reads as Print Current View. Shift plus Enter reads as Save Current Record. Control plus semicolon reads as Insert Current Date. Control plus apostrophe reads as Insert Current Time. Escape reads as Cancel Changes in Field. Delete reads as Delete Selected Item or Record.